Okay, so video take number 2, installing a hardtop kit to get your, if you didn't have a hardtop factory with your E46 M3, you gotta put this installation kit, and this is how to do it. So you're gonna start off by number 1 and number 2 in the bottom panel where the armrest is. There's two, I believe they're 8mm screws, so take those off. And then pry towards the front there's one clip just underneath the speaker. Just pull it out and you'll remove that panel. And then the panel above is held in by 1, 2, 3, I think there's 7mm screws. Take those out and then pop it upwards to get off of that clip and those clips. So pop it up and then pull it that way. And you'll remove that. Once you do that, disconnect your battery, at least I did. Lift this up, and then you want to install the clip underneath and then feed the wire underneath, plug it into the second, the middle one plugs in, and then this little plastic piece just clips right on top, and then that should be all. Then put it all back together.